Hello everyone, sets part 2, kinds and equality of sets. In this video I will be covering empty set, finite set, infinite set and about the concept of equality of sets. First we shall see about empty set. A set which does not contain any element is called empty set or the null set or the void set. It is denoted by the symbol phi or by using the two curly braces. Now A is equal to set f all x such that x is between 1 and 2, where x is a natural number. This is an empty set since there is no natural number between 1 and 2. Then next example is B is equal to set f all x such that x is a student studying in class 11 and class 10. This is also an example of empty set. Since a student cannot be studying in 11th and 10th at the same time. Now we shall see about the finite and infinite sets. A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called the finite. Otherwise the set can be called as infinite. Example, set of days of a week is a finite set, while set of all points on a line is an infinite set since a line consists of infinite number of points. All infinite sets cannot be described in the roster form. For example, a set of all real numbers cannot be represented using roster form. In roster form, a set of natural numbers can be represented as shown. Now we shall see about the concept of equality of sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements, and we can write A is equal to B. If they don't have exactly the same elements, then they are unequal and we write as A not equal to B. Example, let A is equal to 2469 and B is equal to 9624. Here we can see that set A and set B are having the same elements. Hence we can say that A is equal to B. Now we shall see some example problems. Example 1. State which of the following sets are finite or infinite. First one, X is a set of all such that X is in N and X minus 1 into X minus 2 is equal to 0. Second, X is a set of all elements X such that X is in N and X square is equal to 4. Then third one, X is a set of all X such that X is in N and 2X minus 1 is equal to 0. Fourth one is X is in N and X is prime, and X is a set of all X such that X is in N and X is odd. We can see the answer. First one is finite since the given set is 1 and 2. Second is also finite since X square is equal to 4, X is equal to 2. Then third one is a null set since X is equal to 1 by 2, which is not a natural number. But we know that a null or empty set is also a finite set. Then fourth one is X is prime. In this case, the given set is the set of all prime numbers, and since set of all prime numbers are infinite, the given set is also infinite. Then fifth one, X is odd. Since there are infinite number of odd numbers, the given set is infinite. Now example 2. This is from equality of sets. Which of the following pairs of sets are equal? Justify your answer. First one is X is a set. That is the set of all letters in alloy, and B is a set of all letters in low L. And second one is A is a set of all N such that N is in z and n square is lesser than or equal to 4 and b is equal to set f all x such that x is in R and x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we shall see the solution. In the case of first one, we have x is equal to a comma l comma l comma o comma y and b is equal to l comma o comma y comma a comma l. When x and b are equal then as repetition of elements in a set do not change a set. Thus, x is equal to b. Now the second question, first one is set A is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 and set B is equal to 1 comma 2. Since 0 is an element of A and it is not an element of B, we can say that A and B are not equal sets. So this is the end of this video. In this video, if you have got any doubt, please comment in the section below. Thank you.